Emakhosini Camaku Lesedi Lekhanya umhlambululi nginithanda ngenhliziyo nangomoya. Sibonge ukuthola lethuba lokuthi sizokhuluma nani. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Umme Onika umhlambululi ohamba namabutho uzokhuluma ngomkhuleko ngenamandla, ngisho nomphahlo ngenamandla. Iningi labantu baphahla babuye bakhuleke kodwa ama-answers aba bawatholi. Thina abantu abamnyama we are given a power yezinto yokuthi sibone umkhuleko wethu ukuthi there and there uqeda ukukhuleka uthole i-answer same time. Kwamele kube njalo. Kodwa I guess iye yashawa yile ndaba ye second coming of Jesus. Yasi blinder as black people ukuthi singa understand ukuthi uma ukhuleka you must receive i-answer manje and siphiwe izinto ezingafani. Like for example mina uma ngithi ngiyakhuleka ngekhandlela definitely I will get the answer ye yes, no or wait. Phela to get answer from umkhuleko it doesn't mean ukuthi kuzoba yilento oyikhulekele. Cause kungani nisho njalo sinokufuna izinto ezingaphezulu kwamandla ethu noma sifuna izinto engasizona ezethu noma sifuna izinto ezizobuye zisilimaze. Like for example ungathi uthi ukhulekela umsebenzi kanti isimo sakho sempande semsamo wakho sisese fragile in a way yokuthi ungalimazeka nanoma kunini. I-surrounding yakho ibole ngalendlela leyo ukuthi once ungaqala uprosper ungakaklini i-surrounding yakho ungakaboniswa ukuthi umngani wakho umuntu wesilisa lo naye umuntu wesifazane lo naye uyena iyona into eyiproblem umndeni wakho. Ithi ngene deep ngoba nemindeni kukhona abantu esifanele basuke emindenini yabo. Yebo uyawufuna umshado manje kodwa akufanele ushade manje because of umsamo wakho wakheswa ukuthi abantwana balangeke bashade. So kunomkhuleko ofinyelelayo ingakho ke thina abalekeleleli noma sithi abahlambululi siyaye sithole i-chance yokuthi alright awuthi kuhlambululeka ikhaya. Then ama-situations awafana ngithi nama-structures amakhaya. Kunokuthi uhlambulula ikhaya kuba khona nenye indlela yokuthi okay ngoba kunje umkhuleko wakho omkhulu ozothi mawukhuleka uzwakale usesigangeni noma usentabeni. Ngoba iyamakhaya akusi wonke umuntu ozovunyelwa ukuthi angahlambulula ikhaya. So ikhaya malingahlambululekanga yes you can survive but awunalanga lonke. Iyodinga ukuthi the day kulunga you must vamoose. Awukwazi ukuhlala ukhulele ekhaya uzube over 30 uloku ukhuleka umkhuleko ofanayo kodwa ukuphenduli then there's a problem ngala uhlala khona. Sibuye siye emphahlweni ongakhona ukuphendule umphahlo. Uma ngiphahla ngiguca ngikhuluma nabakithi kwamele kube nama signs bavele akithi asifani sabantu khona abayiboniswayo kube khona abakhona ukufeel izinto. So until you reach that stage because of everyone must reach that stage. Uma ukhuleka kungabi ne-signages abanye ke amathonga mawuphahla bawisa something noma kube khona into ekhalayo ukuze uzo understand ukuthi sikhona. Remember ngasho ngathi umoya omubi nomoya omuhle zihamba so. They are there to check ukuthi usemandleni ngempela ukhuleka ngoba kuthiwe ukhuleke noma ujulile na. Nayo enye into yokujula. Yekelana mina my prayers were answered not ngisenkonzweni while ngingumzalwane noma apostles yona because nami lo moya ungambisile into okudlala. Ingakho ngithi ungazibheki ngathi uyahlanya. No umoya it's a universal spirit ekisa noma kukuphi. Ingakho ngasho ngathi ayikhejwa namhlanje nikheje kuma membership weinkonzo ingelosi ayihambi njalo. So sama Mercury mase ngathi siyaphathwa siyatshelwa ingelosi yangala ikususe lapho. So indaba isendabeni yokuthi namhlanje uzothi mawuthuthu yakhuleka abantu bawile ithi ngibeke njalo bawile emkhulekweni. Ngithola abantu mina engibancedayo abangasenamandla wokukhuleka, and they were prayer warriors before. Bake baba abantu abanamandla. Uma uthi wena uyakhuleka, you must know ukuthi usempini. Imimoya emibi ayifuni umuntu othandazayo. So it's either uyayeka ukuthandaza noma uyocina. Remember mawuthi uyathandaza like ngihleli manje mangathi ngithi ngiyakhuleka, ngiyothasha imimoya ethize engayazi indawo nendawo inama devil worshippers akhona, inemimoya yabathakathi bakhona. So you must know ukuthi ukukhuleka kwakho you are touching imimoya eyakini neyangaphandle. So umkhuleko nomphahlo ongafinyeleli, please you need help. You need help. Uma uthi wena umuntu ophahlayo, cause abantu abakhulekayo they are pretenders kakhulu. Yazi kukhona umuntu ongathi makangakhuleka singangena ezulwini yena salela emhlabeni kodwa kukhuleka yena, ukubonisa ukuthi le iphiwe zona ziyasebenza zi-active. Cause kuyayenzakala ukuthi manje umoya wakho ukubonise umthakathi kodwa you are not doing anything about it. Instead wena ujabuliswa yini ukutshela abantu ukuthi yazi mina ngiphuphile ngimbonile uyathakatha, uzolimala. Umphahlo uphahla ngoba nesikhathi. Uma ukhuleka ngoba nesikhathi, cause izikhathi zatshintsha. Kodwa ke mina mase ngikubonile ukuthi ngigurumile ngaka-eyeliner spiritually, ngiyakususa ku-36912. But mawusaqala zifundise lapho, ngoba uma uzothi uyaphahla it must be from 3 AM uvuke. Thina sesiyavuswa ke mase kufikile ezimbi, mawuthi uyavuka u2. So ingakho ngisho ngithi uzophahla without seasons and also pray without seasons. Ihamba kanjalo kusho ukuthi anytime ready lapho so uyabonakala ukuthi ukhulile ngokamoya. So uma uphahla awukwazi ukuphahla uphahlele bathini uphahlela amathonga ngobani amathongo ngo before 3 AM, u6 wasekuseni, u9 u9 bese kube u12 wasembini, kube u3 oyisintambama, we6 uyoze uphahle ngo3 AM. Kula ku-active khona ke abangasekho. Then sonke lesikhathi engilongisibala se36912 isikhathi seyingelosi lezo abasheshayo abaflyayo. So namhlanje uzibuza ukuthi kungani kungafinyeleli, ukungcola, isurrounding. Same applies umkhuleko and also ini umphahlo. Emakhosini, please don't forget to like and subscribe.